Lawmakers passed the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, CARES Act, in March 2020 near the start of the pandemic to create several relief programs. One was the Payment Protection Program, PPP, which aimed to help businesses keep their employees on the payroll during the pandemic or hire back furloughed workers. Keep watching to find out more. PPP Overview. The PPP has been instrumental in helping small businesses stay afloat. Loans under this program are implemented by the Small Business Administration, SBA, and the Treasury Department. Loans can pay up to 8 weeks of payroll costs, as well as mortgage interest, rent, and utility expenses. This relief funding has helped many employers pay and retain workers they would have otherwise had to let go or furlough. One of the biggest benefits of the PPP is that the government can forgive loans completely if certain guidelines are followed. Small businesses, nonprofits, veterans organizations, tribal businesses, and self-employed individuals or independent contractors are eligible if they meet the SBA's size standards. The government can forgive PPP loans in full if at least 60% of the funds are spent on payroll costs, employee and wage levels are maintained, funds are spent only on payroll and other eligible expenses. There are now first and second draw PPP loans because of subsequent legislation following the initial CARES Act. Some businesses that received a first draw loan could apply for a PPP loan again and get second draw funds, but that round of the PPP ended on May 31st, 2021. Existing borrowers can still apply for PPP loan forgiveness, though, once all loan funds have been used, and they must make a forgiveness request within 10 months after the last day of the covered period, according to the SBA. ERC Overview. Many businesses may have already received a PPP loan or two, but if you still need assistance, you could qualify for the ERC, which is a tax credit instead of a business loan. You can now receive relief under both the PPP and ERC initiatives. You may be an eligible employer if you meet the following criteria: suspended operations. You must have suspended your business operations fully or partially during 2020 or 2021 because of governmental order. Decline in gross receipts. Your gross receipts must have declined in 2020 or 2021 when compared with the same quarter in 2019. The decline must be at least 50% for 2020 or 20% for 2021. Carried on a trade or business in 2020 or 2021. You must have been an employer in operation in one of the two qualifying years, 2020 or 2021. Businesses across the nation will have no trouble meeting these requirements since most organizations were impacted in some way by the pandemic. Governmental orders have affected whether or not businesses could operate during certain periods, and these orders vary by state and locality. Contact ERC today for more clarity about your eligibility. Work with experts. The professionals at ERC today make the application process fast, easy, and flexible. Our tax experts help you get everything filed on time and help you make sure you're eligible. We know this credit inside and out, and we specialize in taxes. We ensure the process for both the PPP and ERC is safe, so none of your information is ever at risk. You simply access your secure portal, upload your 941 returns, PPP loan information, and payroll data, and we will do all the credit calculating. We help you prepare your documents and make sure the IRS gets everything processed and paid back to you. Contact ERC today or start filling out our ERC initial application online. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.